Hey guys, it's Daniel here and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you 5 tips on how to become a better trader. But we are going to take a look at the problem from different perspective. Everywhere on the internet you can find out. You have to be professional in technical analysis. You have to be professional in fundamental analysis. You have to know this, you have to know that. Yeah, and that's all true, but I believe that the most important thing and the most important piece is it's actually the mental game, the psychology of a trader. I think that's the most important thing, and usually what's funny is the most undervalued thing by most of the traders. Guys, but we can talk about this for hours, for days. I mean, for me this is the most important thing in the whole trading. I'm studying how can you improve yourself. All the biohacks that exists, I'm trying everything to become a better person, because it's funny, but one saying says that once you are a good person you're gonna be a good trader, and once you're a good trader you're gonna be a good person. The funny thing is that trading is just 1% of your whole day, but guys, what do you do with the rest 99% of your day? That's the most important part of your day, those 99%, not that 1%, that one click that you're gonna do, or that 5-minute analysis that you are doing. So yeah, let's start with the first tip, guys, how you can improve your mental game with the trading, and that's simple. It's actually the food, it's the things that you are eating. You have to eat clean so your body will be clean and your mind will be clean. You have to give up all the fast foods, you have to give up all the sweeties, cookies, whatever you're eating, all the sweet beverages. I don't know, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, whatever you're drinking, the alcohol. Guys, you have to give it up in order to become the best. If it's hard for you, you can start slowly, step by step. For example, start with drinking the plain water, then add up, give up all the sweeties, then give up all the cookies, give up all the pastry. You can even buy some food plan for that, because food is very important. You have to understand that your body is like a machine. It's like an engine. If you want to be Ferrari, you don't want to put in your body trash oil. You want the best that you can have. The tip number 2, guys, sleep. I think this is probably the most important thing in the whole spectrum of biohacking and becoming a better person, etc. Because sleep in this era is so undervalued. You everywhere see like, oh, you will sleep when you will die. Well, fuck that shit. What the fuck? Who the fuck came with this idea? It's so stupid. You're gonna die faster if you are not sleeping right. So again, start step by step. I don't know, if you're sleeping 6 hours, that's not enough, guys. Try to optimize it to at least 7, 8, maybe even 9. I mean, you have to give up your nights out with your friends. You have to give up your drinking nights. As I've said, trading is a lifestyle. It's not a work. Trading is what you do since you get out of your bed until you go to your bed. It's not like, oh, I'm gonna sit behind my PC and I'm just gonna click some buttons and that's it, I'm an instant millionaire. Well, no, bro. Absolutely not. By the way, if you want to learn more about the sleep, I recommend you this book, Why We Sleep by Matthew Walker. It's you can download even audiobook, link will be down in the description. And guys, it was so crucial in my life to find out how sleep is actually important, for your hormones, your well-being, your mental clarity. Then what I recommend you is to use this website called Sleep Calculator. Basically what you want to do here, as you can see here, what time do you want to wake up? So let's say you're waking up 6 a.m. okay, and it's gonna calculate you the best time to go to the bed. As you can see, the average human takes 15 minutes to fall asleep. To wake up refreshed at 6 a.m. you need to go sleep at one of the following times: 8:45 p.m. or 10:15 p.m. is suggested. So you will complete all of the sleep cycles that you need to be refreshed on another day, and so you can go and kill the day. The tip number 3 is get regime. What do I mean by that is, well, you have to combine all of these things together. You wake up at 6, okay? Let's say you went sleep at 10:15 p.m. You wake up at 6 a.m. Let's say your work starts at 8 a.m. You've got 2 hours. So what you gonna do? So let's say you wake up at 6 a.m. Bam, you do some yoga, you do some meditation, or you go to the gym. Then cold shower. Another very important thing. It's not about, I don't know, like maybe it gives you some benefits, but I'm not doing it because of some benefits. but I'm doing it just because it's hard and just because I don't fucking want to, and that's the only reason I do it. So yeah, you finish the cold shower, then you go dress yourself, you prepare for work, you leave. I don't know, if you're going in a car, you can listen some audiobook until you arrive to your work. Bam, you are at the work, you work for 8 hours, maybe 12. Bam, you are on the way to home. Again, you can listen some audiobooks, you arrive home. Now is the time for you to work on your trading. So let's say go and you study technical analysis, then you can go and train again, then you can do yoga again, then you can meditate again. You know, write all of these things down. And that brings me to point number 4, daily checklist. So all these things that you want to do during the day, write it down, guys. But you know what? Accomplish them. Start small. I don't know, maybe if you never done this before, start, I don't know, with 3 points a day. The next day you do 4. The next day you do 5. The next day you do 6. And you're gonna get to the point when it's gonna be really fucking hard and you're gonna have so many things to do that you will not have time. Think about stupid things that you don't need in your life. And the point number 5, guys, is the discipline. It's the doing all of these 4 points every single day. I mean, there's gonna be days when you will not want to do it. There's gonna be days when you don't want to go to the gym, when you don't want to trade, you don't want to do this, you don't want to do that. But you have to do it. Anyway, you have to do it because, believe me, in your worst days, you learn the most and it gives you most. And somehow, it's just when you do the things that you don't want to do in your worst days, somehow it motivates you. Somehow it tells your subconscious mind that, come on, bro, like, shit, I did it. Oh my gosh, I'm good, I fucking did it. You know, and you avoid these bad thoughts. Maybe some of you have depression, you just avoid it by having a discipline, guys. Yeah, guys, I heard someone say that discipline is giving up short-term pleasure for long-term success. You know, and that shit hit me hard when I heard it, because it's giving up that fucking ice cream, it's giving up that fucking junk food, it's giving up that, I don't know, whatever is your sin. It's your you have to give up your sins. That's, I don't know, you smoke cigarettes, you drink alcohol, you do drugs, guys. You have to give it up. And to be honest with you, it's not that hard. Like, it's gonna be tempting, but when you will have so much shit to do during your day on your checklist, then you will not need to do the bad stuff again. Obviously, guys, as I've said, we can talk here about it for days. I just love this topic. For me, it's, I love challenges, you know, I love to improve every day, and I can see it, guys. I can really see that it helps with my trading, it helps with my decisions, it helps with my confidence, you know, because when you take a trade and your day is chaotic, your trading is gonna be chaotic. You're gonna be like, oh, why did I do it actually? Why did I take a trade? You know, you need to have that confidence in yourself, like, yeah, I know why did I do it. And one little bonus I can tell you real quick is you have to be objective. Really, you have to open your mind. You have to study. You have to study ideas. You have to study other people and their perspectives. You have to talk with other people. You have to meet with people and listen all these perspectives. And it's not like they will change your attitude or something like that. You have to be objective and analyze all of the perspectives that are available. And then you can pick something from each one and make the most objective decision that you can make. And I think that's a big key in trading. Hey guys, trading is a fucking lifestyle, it's not a work. Either you are a trader or you're not a trader. There is nothing between that. But what I love about trading is that it's really equal to your lifestyle, you know. As I've said, the better person you are, the better trader you are. So yeah, guys, this has been 5 tips on how to become better in trading. If you like this concept, this new concept of me talking about these things, let me know down in the comments. You know, I'm passionate about it. We can talk about some biohacks, something that really helps me, something, you know, some breathing techniques. There is so many things that I can share with you guys. So if you're excited and if you like this type of videos, let me know down in the comments, guys. And yeah, see you on Wednesday. I'm out. Peace.